on it.
Call it over bridge. I'm videoing it now.
Don't you like it? No, you don't, do you? You don't like things that stick to his beak.
Oh.
I'm going to go in there.
See what's in there. Like Bridget's clown drawing.
Right.
There. Isn't it nice? Sally Army that was.
Yeah. Did you steal that?
Eh?
Did you steal
No,
that?
Bridget paid for that.
50p, I think it was. But they had
But
the
they
whole
had two
set. I wish I'd
others
have got
there.
the rest.
Yeah, we should got the others, Bridget.
It's going to eat it. No, it's not.
Lorraine's going to come round and paint your things for you.
They're not meant to
Your
be.
badger.
They're not meant to be painted, are
Your
they?
badger has been
Nice.
wet. It has been white. Black and white.
That used to belong to next door.
It looked nice on his white stripe.
Go on in.
I'm videoing it.
Oh, it's tea you're drinking. That's nice.
Leave mine alone then.
I've got to go and take his coffee out.
Because tonight, Bridget, when someone wins the house, you play on for the next one to get a house. And you get the same money.
That's gone.
It depends what time he gets home from work as to
Yeah.
what time he can go. So last week...
Yeah, but you could come for the first session. You needn't get for the
Oh,
earlies.
no.
You could get for the main, couldn't you?
Yeah.